Have you been looking for a way to create chatbots that your customers and users can interact with? Well, with PeopleBots, you can do that. Using PeopleBots, you can create experts in specific fields and embed them to your website, and other users and other customers can interact with them, find out information, and then you can get leads. Welcome to Software Safari. My name is Toby, and I'll be taking you through PeopleBots and all that it offers you. Once you're able to get access to PeopleBots, you can see the dashboard. And on the dashboard, you can see the total number of experts that you have, the leads that you've generated, the chats you have, and the countries that your leads are gotten from. You can take a look at a little tutorial video to explain how to use PeopleBots and also take full advantage of it. You can see the chats that you had, if there is any live chat happening, or you can see all the chats that have happened at some point. We currently have no chat here. Next, you can take a look at the leads that you've generated. These leads are generated based on the experts that you have. From your experts, you can see all the experts that you have created, and you can also choose to create your own experts. If you're creating an expert, you can choose, okay, do you want it to be a sales expert, a support expert, or a training expert? You can choose from some of the templates that already exist. Let's pick one and you modify. You can see the expert's name. You can see his profile, his expertise, and you should describe your expert in detail. Say next. Then you can choose how we want it to appear. The window, you can pick this, choose theme. And you can see that the expert has been created successfully. When it has been created, if we know there is any specific information that we will need our expert to use to have some sort of knowledge base when answering questions, we can include it here. It could be a simple text such as, so when you have your training module, for example, you can add that. And you can see the file has been uploaded. You can also choose to add a URL, upload a file directly to PeopleBots, or you can add a YouTube video, including the URL. From there on, you can see all the experts that you have. You can choose to edit that expert. You can take a look at the files. You can see the Q&A that the experts will use in the case that someone asks a specific question. And if you want the expert to give a specific answer, you can take a look at the chats that the expert is having, and also you can choose to delete that expert. When you're editing the experts, you can see the window that you've created with the theme. You can choose to change the header image. You can pick one that you've created. You could create one with PeopleBots, or you could pick any one of your choice. Change the simple information that you've previously created. You can take a look at the leads that the expert has generated. But now you're seeing how it generates leads. You can choose if you want to enable voice chat and choose the type of voice that you want. You can take a play and listen to it. You can choose how you're capturing leads. If you want to capture leads, you can enable or disable it. And you can see that it would always ask for the person's name and email. And you can see if they'll get an email notification sent to the user or to you as the admin. You can also take a look at the settings for this expert. If you want the visitor to be able to request an actual person chat, or if you want it to be full screen, and multiple options to customize. And finally, you can see the pixel code that you would copy and paste it in your website. When you copy this pixel code and you paste it, if you're using WordPress or however your website is built, you can paste the pixel code and automatically this expert will be embedded in your website and people can interact with it. And if you're satisfied with all that, you can save. Next, you can take a look at settings where you can see your profile. You can have a look at team access where you can send invites to other members of your team to have access to PeopleBots. You can see your SMTP, which would help you in your communication. But you choose an expert to see the SMTP settings for those experts. You can see your autoresponder, which will help you in sending out and receiving emails. You can see the total number of credits that you have on PeopleBots, and also you can take a look at the done for you installation where you have a setup for creating a bot with your desired persona, creating and assigning images, and multiple things done for you by the PeopleBots team. You can definitely create an avatar where you can include the race, their look, their appearance, and PeopleBots will create one for you. Let's do a quick one. As you can see, that was generated an expert for you. You can choose to generate another one or you just download it. So as you can see, PeopleBots might seem like a simple tool to use, but you can take full advantage of it when you see that you don't need to have a very large customer base to reach out to your clients. Your clients can reach out to you and you get leads from them. A link to PeopleBots is in the description of this video. And if you have any question, need any clarification, you can ask and we'd love to answer you. See you in the next one. Goodbye.